హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు విద్యా టీవీ. ఈ పర్టిక్యులర్ వీడియోలో వచ్చేసి మనం కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఆర్టికల్స్, ఇండియన్ కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ అండ్ కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఆర్టికల్స్ పైన కొన్ని బిట్స్ చేద్దాము. ఈ కంపల్సరీ బిట్స్ నుంచి కంపల్సరీ యూ క్యాన్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఐదర్ ఇన్ సింగరేణి కాలేజ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఆర్ TSPSC examinations. Let us get into the topic. The first question is, which of the following articles cannot be null during the national emergency? And the answer is option C, Article 2021. Next question, which country has the lengthiest constitution in the world? And the answer is option C, India. India has the lengthiest constitution in the world. Next question, which article in the constitution provides guidelines for amending the preamble? And the answer is Article 368. Article 368 provides the guidelines for amending the preamble. Next question, which article in the constitution grants us the right of equality? Which article provides the right of equality? And the answer is option A, Article 14 to 18. Next question, which articles in the constitution grants us the right to freedom? Grants us the right to freedom. And the answer is Article 19 to 22. Articles 19 to 22. Next question, which articles in the Constitution grants us the right against exploitation? Rights against exploitation. And the answer is Articles 23 to 24. Next question, which articles in the Constitution grants us the right to freedom of religion? And the answer is Articles 25 to 28. Articles 25 to 28. Next question, which articles in the Constitution grants us the right to constitutional remedies? And the answer is Article 32. Option C, Article 32. Next question, what is the date of adoption of the Constitution? What is the date of adoption of the Constitution? And the answer is 26 November 1949. 26 November 1949. Next question, who is regarded as the head of the Indian state? And the answer is option B, President is the head of the Indian state. Next, which article of the Constitution empowers the President to promulgate ordinance? And that is Article 123. Next question, which election is not related to Election Commission elections of India? And the answer is Panchayats and municipalities of states are not related to the Election Commission. Next question, which article is related to abolition of untouchability? That is Article 17 is related to the abolition of untouchabilities. Next, which article is for protection of interests of minorities? Protection of interests of minorities, that is Article number 29. Article 29. Next question, which article of the Constitution provides the Parliament the power to amend Constitution? And the answer is actually right, it is article number 368. Article number 368 provides the Parliament the power to amend Constitution. Next question, the upper house of Indian Parliament is known as Rajya Sabha. Option A, Rajya Sabha. Next question, Article 19 of the Indian Constitution is related to freedom of speech. Next, When is Human Rights Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 10th December. It is celebrated on 10th December. Next question. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? Right to property is not a fundamental right. Next question. Under which article of the Constitution can the central government give directions to the state government? It is under the Article 256. Article 256. Next question. Under which article of Indian Constitution there is a provision for the formation of Finance Commission? Finance Commission, it is article number 280. Article 280. Next question. Legally able to declare war or decide peace is the president. Is the president. He has all the rights. Next one. In which article is the provision for formation of Finance Commission? Finance Commission, it is article 280. Next. On the basis of which article of the Constitution can a financial emergency can be declared in the country? It is based on the article 360. Financial emergency can be declared in the country. Article 360. Next question. In the Indian Constitution, which article is known as the soul of the Constitution? Soul of the Constitution, Article 32 is known as the soul of the Constitution. Next question. Which of the following article describes India as also as Bharat? And the answer is Article 1. Next question. In which article of Indian Constitution is there mentioned about the abolition of untouchabilities? That is Article 17. Mentions about the abolition of untouchability. Next one. Under which article each citizen of India has been given the right to health? Right to health is given by Article 21. Article 21, right to health. Next question. In which article of the Constitution it is mentioned that India means India will be a union of states? India will be a union of states. That is nothing but Article 1. According to Article 1. Next question. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India is related to the Uniform Civil Code? Uniform Civil Code, it is Article 44. Article 44, Uniform Civil Code. Next question. What is the chief source of political power in India? Chief source of political power in India is nothing but the people, that is we. Next question. Which article of Indian Constitution is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution? That is Article 32. Article 32 is the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution. Next question. Under which article Jammu and Kashmir had been given special status by the Indian Constitution? That is under the Article 370, Jammu and Kashmir has been given the special status. Article 370. Next question. Which article of Indian Constitution empowers Indian Parliament to amend the Constitution? That is amend the Constitution. That is Article number 368. Article number 368. Next question. The right to move freely throughout the territory of India comes under which article of the Constitution? That is Article number 11. Right. Next question. Which article of the Constitution give article as the right to privacy been incorporated as fundamental rights? That is Article number 21. Article number 21. Next question. How many schedules are there in our Constitution? How many schedules are there in a constitution? And the answer is it has altogether 12 schedules. It has number 12 schedules, right? That's all for this video. Thank you.